Today we're going to change a bent brake rotor. As you can see, this is bent. All the sparks you saw were the brake pads rubbing against this bent rotor. So now this new rotor will go right on the rotor flange, and this also holds the driveline as well. Make sure you use Loctite. Alright, now the rotor is ready to be put back together. Right onto the pinion. There should be splines. Line it up in there. Mind you, I did ratchet strap the driveline up so it's out of my way. Put some Loctite on the pinion nut. This usually is an 1 5/16 socket that'll tighten this up. Alright, so now we're going to bolt the brake caliper back onto the caliper mount. Should be 2 bolts. After the caliper is mounted, you're ready to install the driveline back into place. They are 1/2" pine thread bolts, 3/4 inch socket, total of 4 bolts. Now you put your clamshell over. The driveline cage also bolts to the clamshell. Tighten those up, not too tight, just snug. These have welded nuts on the inside. Keep in mind, they also make new style clamshells that prevent this from happening, but right now we run the older style. One day we will upgrade to the newer style that protects the bottom of the rotor from getting bent by a car like you saw in that video. Alright, well there you have it. That is how you install a new brake rotor.